Hi everyone, this is Skip York from Doraville, Georgia. This is our week 8 update of our Publix bag rain gutter grow garden. So let's take a look and see where we're at. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh, they have drunk a lot. That was full this morning. That's almost 4 gallons of water, so I'll need to fill that up. The tomatoes are progressing rather nicely. They all have little tomatoes on them. Squash looks good. The yellow bell peppers are coming along real nice. These are strawberries. And there is a few in here. The cherry tomatoes are coming along. These are our red bell peppers, and they're just starting to mature to the point of blooming. The cucumbers next are doing really well. And the spring onions. And then this is another tomato. And then this is our zucchini. And if we go around to the back, we can see the zucchini coming along. So that's just about it. Thanks for watching.